Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to deactivate your Roblox account directly from the Android app. Whether you want to break or permanently leave, this tutorial will make the process simple and clear. Let's get started. Open the Roblox app on your Android phone. Tap on More located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, from the menu that appears, click on Settings. After that, select Privacy and Content Restrictions. Now scroll down until you find Account Deactivation and Deletion. Then tap on Deactivate. You will be asked to confirm, so click Deactivate again. Roblox will then send a verification code to your registered email. Once you receive the code, copy it carefully and enter it into the app. Finally, click on Verify to complete the process. And that's how you deactivate your Roblox account using the Android app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.